Are you having problems that you have to reset your password to be able to continue on Roblox and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and this is how I fixed it. So actually, to be able to fix that problem, it is very simple. You just have to reset your password, and you have to select a password that is much stronger than the one that you currently have or had before. So just change your password real quick and then log back into your account. But I'm going to show you one thing now that you have to do to be able to make sure that this problem will most likely not happen again to you. So basically, come to your Roblox right here and then click on settings, and then click on settings right here. And then you're just going to click on security, as you can see, and then you should now be taken to this page where you can see two-step verification. You need to enable this one. So you can either have an authenticator app, as you can see, or your email, or a hardware security keys. So select any of this one right here. Probably email is the easiest one, or this one maybe if you have one of those apps, of course, and just select any of those ones, follow the instructions after that, and then when you have done so, most likely you will not get that error once again.